The circumference and area of circles by Sean Kwan. We have a circle, and let's say this point in the middle, which is, let's say point A, is the center of the circle. So what a radius is it's the distance from the center to any of these parts, any of these points that make the circle. So let's say this part right here, and if you connect it, this would be considered the radius from the point of the center to any point that make up the circle. All radiuses will have the same length. So if this is a radius right here, then this length will have the same length as this, and same goes with this one as well. What a diameter is it is two radiuses combined. To be more specific, it is two radiuses which connect and intersect the middle point or the center of the circle. So what a diameter would be is, let's say this is point B, it's this right here. It's two separate radiuses connected that intersect this center, which is point B. So the formula to find diameter would be 2 times radius, which is, so there's two radiuses, and if you multiply them, then you get this diameter. Okay, so what a circumference is it is the measure of this part right here. So anything right here, everything right there is considered the circumference. It is the measure of the outside of the circle. So what is pi? Pi is the ratio of the circumference to diameter. However big or small your circle is, your circumference to diameter, which is C over D, will always equal to about 3.14 over 1. So whenever you see 3.14, you can always say that it is circumference over the diameter, which equals pi. So a formula that you can use to find circumference is, so you can say, let's say you multiply the diameter to both sides to isolate the circumference, which would mean that the circumference is the pi times diameter. But let's say that if the diameter is given to you, then you can just plug it in. But then if the diameter isn't given to you, then you know that the radius is that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So you can simply plug in the circumference is equal to pi times 2 times the radius.